Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let us see how to solve this question. There are three circles, each of radius √7 centimeter, and a triangle is formed by joining their centers. The angles at the center made by the triangle are shown in the figure. So this is the figure given, and we have to find the area of the shaded figure. This area we have to find out. So this angle is given as 42, this is 58, and this one is given as 80. So now let us see area of the shaded portion, how to find out the area of the shaded portion. So we have the formula, that is theta by 360 into, because this is the area, that will be pi r square. So now the formula for this will be, I'll just write it here, theta by 360 degree into pi r square, because this is the area. So now we have three triangles. So what are we going to do? We are going to take separately for that one. So we'll write here. Also, if you want, we can write it over here. Theta by 360 into pi r square for the first one. Again for the next one also, that will be the same. And again for the third circle also. So now we can erase this one. 360 into pi r square. So now in the first one we can consider the theta. This will be, let us take the top one. So that is this part. So this is 42. So we will write a 42 by 360 into, now this pi, let us keep as it is. And here all will keep pi r square as it is first. Then again for the theta, the second one, we will take this as 58. So now this will be 58 by 360 into pi r square. The third one is this one, that is 80 by 360 into pi r square. So now what we can see, everywhere the pi r square is common. So let us take the pi r square outside the bracket. So what remains in the bracket is 4. We can take pi r square and 360 also, because everywhere there is a 360. And then what remains in the bracket is 42 plus 58 plus 80. This one, 42, this 58, and this is 80. So now what will we do here? Now we know pi, the value of pi is 22 by 7. And the radius is given over here, that is given as √7. So now what will we do here? We have r square. So we will write here √7 square. And here we have this one as 360. So we will write here. So or we can also do one thing. We can add this all. When we add this all, what do we get? This will be 90 and this will be 170 and 180. So this is going to be 180, and this 360, whatever remains, this one, that we'll write it over here. So now what will you do here? 22 by 7. Root of 7. This root of 7 square means root of 7 into root of 7. That will be root of 49. And root of 49 is the perfect square. That will be 7 into 180 by 360. So what happens here? We can cut this and this one. This and this one we can cut over here. So 18 ones are and 18 twos are 36. And 2 ones are and 2 11s are. So what remains is 11. So answer is 11. And because it is in area, that means it should be centimeter square, or we can write square centimeter. So this is the final answer. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.